welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn the base cream into a lotion for dark skin, hot chocolate and caramel skin persons. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share with your friends and lovers. The first ingredient on our list is aloe vera gel. This is 99% aloe vera gel, pigment dog serum, rose water, Skin Good Reaction Cream and Miracle Powder. You can also make use of Miracle Derm, papaya oil, preservative, glycolic acid and glycerin. Also shea butter, raw organic shea butter. And fragrance. This is blackberry fragrance. Also mixing bowl to mix your whitening powders together. This is my base cream. This is our base cream. As you can see, the base cream is very thick. So the first thing I did was to melt the shea butter. Add 1/4 of a cup aloe vera gel. Add your Skin Good Reaction Cream. If you don't have Skin Good, you can also use Miracle Derm. Add 1.5 tablespoon glycolic acid. Then add your papaya oil. This is my homemade papaya oil. I made this oil myself. I'll drop the link on the description box on how to make papaya oil at home. Next, add your 2 tablespoons glycerin. This is pigment dot serum. It's a lightening serum, but it can also be used for caramel and hot chocolate skin persons. Even a dark skin person can use this serum. I'm going to be making use of the half bottle of pigment dot serum, half of the bottle. This is the miracle powder. It has become hard, So I'm going to dilute it with rose water. Allow it, this should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Pour the diluted miracle powder into the base cream. In here is my rose hip powder and 2 tablespoons kojic acid. I'm going to dilute it or mix it with whitening glycerin and later pour into the base cream. Use your spatula to mix all of these ingredients together in the bowl. Stick blender. I would have used the stick blender to mix all of these ingredients, but I'm going to make use of the hand mixer to mix all of these ingredients together. I observed the mixture was not getting to the bottom because I'm using a hand mixer. And if I had this stick blender, it would have been possible. So I'll have to transfer this. I'll have to transfer the base cream into another bowl. So I added more oils to the base cream because it was too thick. I kept mixing the ingredients together in the base cream so it will be well combined and uniform. I added 2 tablespoons of preservative and 2 tablespoons of fragrance. And that's it. Spray your containers with rubbing alcohol, allow it dry, then pour your cream into the bottles.